Friends, today I am bringing you 5 dinosaurs that were accidentally captured on camera by people. These sightings will leave you amazed, so make sure to watch the video till the end. 1. This dinosaur was captured on camera when 2 friends were driving home late at night. Suddenly, this massive dinosaur appeared in front of their car. Later, when authorities tried to track it, no evidence of its presence was found. 2. Near the swimming pool. Some people spotted a dinosaur near a pool while they were sunbathing close to a bridge. They captured it on camera. However, when the video was analysed, it turned out to be an artwork placed there to trick tourists. 3. In the house, a pet was waiting for its owner when it noticed some movement near the door. As it got closer, it saw a creature in the mirror that looked like a dinosaur. 4. On CCTV, this dinosaur was seen on a building's CCTV camera. It suddenly came close to the camera, looked directly into it, and then attacked it, breaking it. The incident shocked everyone nearby. 5th, viral cage video. A video went viral on the internet showing a dinosaur in a cage inside a house. It looked incredibly real, but it was later revealed to be the work of a skilled video editor. Friends, it took a lot of effort to create this video, but liking it will only take you a second. So please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.